So in this quick tip, I just want to show you a really nice, easy change to help you make smoother lines in Illustrator when you're working with the pencil tool. So the pencil tool is just over on the side here. It's a nice tool, can be a really nice, easy way to draw lines, especially if you find you're fighting a bit with a pen tool and you're maybe a little newer to Illustrator. And you can go in here and you can draw a line in there, like so. And it gives you a path in there. Now, when you look at that path, it's a bit jittery, really. It's not very smooth. It's got a lot of anchor points on there. If you select it, you can see all these anchor points on there. It's not really the smoothest line. It's done what I wanted. It's roughly drawn the shape I wanted, which was a letter S, but it's really not a very smooth line. I'd like something a little bit sleeker and smoother. And there's a really easy way to do that. All you do is go onto the pencil tool, and then before you start drawing, give that tool a double click, and it brings up the pencil tool options. And in the pencil tool options up here, I'm just going to drag that slider from accurate all the way across to smooth over here. And then click OK. There's one or two other options in there, but we're not going to go into those for the purpose of this quick tutorial. And I'll click OK here. I'm on the pencil tool. And now I'm going to draw pretty much the same shape here. Go around here. Across here. And you can see when I drew that second one, far, far less anchor points when you compare it to the first one. This one's got a lot of anchor points on there, very bitty. This second one, you get a much smoother shape with far less anchor points. And despite the fact that my hand was probably, if anything, a little bit less steady on the second one than it was on the first one. And it gives you a much nice, smoother curve. So just remember, if you want to do accurate ones, go back into the pencil tool, double tap it, and remember to go back to accurate. Because obviously, if you're trying to draw a very precise shape, you will need that kind of accuracy in there. If you're trying to do something like that, you're going to need that pen tool set back in order to get the accuracy of that. If you don't, it's going to give you a much smoother shape. But sometimes if you're trying to draw a really smooth curve, just setting that across to smooth can make a big difference and make it much easier. Hopefully that helps you a little bit.